Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Tuition. On the previous Monday, I had asked a question to you which language you want to learn. Thank you for your great response. We are going to start tutorial series based on the majority of subscriber requests. So more than 50% of subscriber want to start React tutorial series. So we are going to start React tutorial series really from scratch. In this complete course, you are going to learn from the basic to the advanced tutorial on React. So let's see who can learn this course. Everyone who want to learn latest technology. But before you taking this course, you need to have a solid foundation of JavaScript, HTML and CSS. If you wanted to learn JavaScript, then we had created a JavaScript tutorial series which you can take first and after that move on with this course, right? The course structure is as following. This course is divided into two parts. In the first part, we are going to take beginner level examples and understand React foundation. In the first part, we are going to build a solid foundation of React and then move on to the second part of the course. In the first part, we are going to learn what is React, creating a first program using React, understanding JavaScript extension, making React interactive, and understanding the React event lifecycle as well as the handling, working with forms, taking the React components, and more than that. In the second part of this course, we are going to learn some advanced topic, just like React routing, Webpack build tool, working with data with Redux and GraphQL, React on Node and Universal JavaScript, and more than that. And the last, we are going to take few projects on React. So taking this course will give you complete understanding of React. From the next video, we are going to start React course. Every video will have at least 5 to 15 minutes. Every day I will upload new video and we will learn new React topic. At the end of every tutorial, I will ask a question on the topic which you had learned and you have to answer that question in the comment if you want. Every tutorial will be connected with each other, so don't forget to watch each tutorial every day. Don't forget to share your thoughts. Share this course with your friends who do not have the money to buy an online course or they are unable to raise money to learn any new course in the institute. We are going to learn everything free of cost. So don't forget to share and like every video. So that's it. From the next tutorial, we are going to learn React course. Are you excited to learn React? Definitely share your thoughts on the comment. Thank you for your great support. We will see you in the React course.